Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Currently lost in a corn maze as the sun's going down. Stick around. Oh, way faster than you. Yeah. Thanks, bud. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're headed up to Rivercrest Orchard in Fayetteville, Arkansas. The first thing we did when we arrived was jump on this giant waterbed-esque inflatable doohickey. And I proceeded to crush all the children. Then we went to the giant tube slide. Oh, way faster than you. Yeah. Thanks, bud.
I mean, this is a big reason we've been on all day.
Coming in hot.
Then the ball zone. You gotta record it when I get like 3 in a row. Then we had to go knick-knacking. And while we were knick-knacking, we came across what I actually came for: apple cider donuts. After that, large, obscure bubble wands. Jungle Gym. Very slow. Did I actually? And now off to the back 40. Of course, pig races. A zip line. And a zip line crash. whatever this wheel is. And on to the corn maze as the sun was setting.
It says, Lainey Wilson's first dog, a Welcome coach, French Bulldog trainer, Hannah Montana. Corn farm,
We're really in it now,
A,
in the corn maze as the sun's going down.
it's A. Now what?
We lost the kids. And then we found the kids and made our way out of the corn maze.
What the crap is that?
That's it for this one, guys. Be sure to check out Rivercrest Orchard and be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.